Hey guys, it's Miss Demetra here. Since we're talking about cardboard, I went and found myself a cardboard box and a pair of scissors. If you have these two items at your house, this should be really easy to make. I think most of us do. So I went and cut my cardboard up into just two squares. They're not perfect, but I'm going to take my pencil and sketch the trunk of a tree. It's going to come in and out towards the bottom. And really, whatever tree fits your landscape, I'm going to make these, again, this isn't perfect, but kind of like a palm tree. I'm from Florida, so palm trees are what I know. I'm going to do the same on this side. I got my trunk. It needs to start and end around the same point. Basically, it needs to be the same height. All of my branches don't need to be perfect, but I've got that palm tree look. I'm going to go ahead and cut them all out. Be careful while you're using your scissors. Make sure your hand behind the cardboard is helping to guide. It's not right behind the blade, because cutting through cardboard can be a little tricky, right? You want to be careful. So now I've got my two palm tree looking trees. It is up to you and whatever you've got to color. I love crayons, so I was thinking of coloring the trunks and my top's green. And on both sides, since this is 3D, we're going to be able to see our built tree once it's put together from all sides, right? That's what makes sculpture sculpture. So I'm going to go ahead and color. You color with whatever you've got. And I just wanted to talk about materials. So you're going to eventually go on a little scavenger hunt, look around your house for some materials. Everything that we're using for this is going to be different based on where we are and what we've got. So I said I was using crayon, but then I noticed that crayon against the cardboard gives this texture kind of look, which I really like for my trunk. But for my leaves, I started thinking about different objects in my house that are really bright, different things that I could pull from, and I came across this flyer, this old sheet of paper. It's neon green, and I think that I would like to cut it up. Even if I've got the letters, I think it would add a whole other dimension to my palm tree if I put on some more recycled paper to kind of cover some of the spots that I can't get to exactly how I want to. So it's all about improvising with what you've got. I'm going to show you how to put these together in just a second. If I had a lot of time, I'd fill up my whole, I think I would like all the leaves to have lots of that lime green. But for right now, just to show us how to build it, I am going to draw a straight line in the middle as my guiding point for where I'm going to cut. And on my other tree, I'm going to go up. So down the middle, but up. Cut from the bottom and then cut up here. And just like you think. Let's see if this works. Let's see if I get this right. So we're gonna take the one that we cut up and kind of slide it into the slit on the bottom. And just like that, we've got ourselves a three-dimensional tree. There you go. So we can see it from different sides, different angles. It is not flat. It is 3D for many reasons, right? If we were to smash it, clap it, unlike our paper, it would fail the clap test since it's got different angles all around. I am interested in what y'all come up with as far as your trees go. This guy can stand up nice and tall. I think maybe it needs some supports, but I can't wait to see what yours look like.